Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is technical side in here, and welcome in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how to accelerate the video playback to more than 4 times the speed. Okay, as you may know, for the actual speed you can hit the control on your keyboard and you can drag this event so you can speed up the video, but it's only 4 times the speed. And to make sure it's 4 times the speed, click right and scroll down, hit properties, go to video events. As we see, it's set to 4. You can set it to something else. 4 is the maximum you can see to. Alright, so hit OK. So now to speed up the video even more, you can fast forward the video by 16. Now click right, go to Alt Insert and remove envelope. Alright, and go to velocity. Alright, as we see this line, you can hold it up, speed the video even fast. And here's the lines of the loop. Whenever the playback reaches here, it will loop, it start the video from the beginning, and so on. For me, I just go, for example, like here, and cut the video. Alright, and remove the rest. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. And if you have anything to discuss about, just drop it in the comments section below. See you later, guys. Bye.